already made like a bunch of new friends.
Vive18 is taking something that most people kind of make boring, but they're making it absolutely fun.
It's really fun.
So much fun. It's just such an important message that Vive has.
Everyone has value and they make a huge impact in this world, and drug use will prevent you from that.
Prevention, it'll turn somebody's life around, and it's such a beautiful thing.
I was so proud to see the students become one, elevating prevention as it should be to a national stage.
Being able to have all these people come together with one goal is a good opportunity to have.
Advisors got together and shared ideas.
That is a feature that I think every youth conference should have.
I could not believe how much information there was.
I care about prevention because I see what it can do to people.
I see how it impacts my neighborhood.
It's important because we're the next generation.
I want everybody to live their best life.
You learn leadership skills, you learn how to public speak, and I feel like you just get out of your comfort zone.
I've learned a lot. I've learned how to help my peers. I've learned how to help myself.
With the experience that I got from here, I'm going to do a lot of great things.
We could spread our message of prevention all over the planet.
Vive18 is the place to go.
Prepare to have the most fun you've ever had.
Positivity and leadership and community. I want everybody to learn from Vive.
You gotta go. You gotta go.
You will love it.